Alright, here it is, the date for Samsung's Unpacked event this year in February 2020. Happy New Year, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and the Samsung Unpacked event promo has been leaked. Max Weinbach tweeted this just a little while ago, along with the official date of the event being on February 11th, which we kind of knew before but weren't really sure of because another rumored date was the 18th of February, but this just confirms everything and gets me really excited because that just means we get to see the new Galaxy S lineup even sooner, and possibly that new foldable device as well. Now, looking at the promo, you can see we've got some kind of weird stuff going on, kind of looking like the right square might be the shape of the new camera module on the S lineup, and then the one on the right has more of a squarish look to it, which kind of leads me to believe that might be the new foldable phone hiding under there. Because looking at recent leaks, when the phone is folded, it does have that squarish look to it. But of course, nothing is for sure until the actual official event, but this just kind of teases us with what is coming. There have already been so many leaks for the new Galaxy S lineup of devices, possibly being called the Galaxy S20 lineup instead of the S11 lineup. But either way, it is going to be great with so many great features. We are going to be getting some killer cameras with tons of new modes, especially when it comes to taking pictures and video at night. Then we might also possibly be getting back Pro mode for video recording, which is huge. A lot of people are going to love that. I know I am excited for that. Then of course we have the new high refresh rate display, a bigger battery, and just so many other great features that I am super excited for. But I've already covered all of those in a separate video, so you can go check that out if you want to. This video is just to share the official date for Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event. I can't wait for it. I am going to do everything that I possibly can to get there to cover it on the channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those videos. But y'all let me know what you think. Who is excited and what are you looking forward to the most at this event? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you did like it. Like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future content to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.